Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr.Vilas Kalekar, episode number 44, and today's rubric is Contemptuous. Contemptuous means it is a showing or feeling that you have no respect for someone or something, or it is a manifesting feeling or expressing deep hatred or disapproval, or it is a strong feeling of combined dislike and lack of respect. These people behave or talk in a way which clearly expresses that they consider other worthless of or of little importance or inferior than themselves. This is contemptuous. हिंदी मीनिंग तिरस्कार करने वाला, मराठी मीनिंग तिरस्कार दर्शक, अवमानात्मक, कोणत्याविषयी अथवा कशाविषयी आदर नसलेले दर्शवणे किंवा तसा भाव व्यक्त करणे. दॅट इज contemptuous. So what are the remedies for contemptuous? Cicuta, palladium, platina, arsenic, china, epicac, lycopodium, nux vomica, veratum, album. So these are some of the important remedies. Now we'll see the cross references for contemptuous. First is abusive. Abusive means attacking in a rude speech, treat improperly, using rude language to insult somebody, to use harsh and insulting language in a cruel and violent way. Person who uses offensive, rude or harsh language for others, especially with anger. This is abusive. The next cross reference, aversion persons all to. Aversions means strong dislike, firmly settled, vehement dislike, or it is a feeling of strong dislike or lacking of willingness to do something. That is aversion. The next cross reference, contradict disposition. What is meant by contradict? Contradict means it is a tendency to assert opposite of, or it is a tendency to oppose or contradict others or speech, action or version of anybody with argument and by using his intellect, or it is a opposition whether by words, reapproaches or attempt to defeat, or it is a disposition to oppose. It doesn't matter that whether the fact which is opposed is right or wrong. This is contradict. And disposition means it is a natural or acquired habit or characteristic tendency in a person's or thing. This is disposition. Then next cross reference, cynical. Cynical means it is a habit of laughing and ridiculing others, which may offend, hurt, and humiliate others. Cynical is a concern only with one's own interest and typically disregarding accepted or appropriate standards in order to achieve them. This is cynical. Then delirium reapproachful. Delirium means it is a disorder state of mind, or it is a transient mental disturbance that is characterized by confusion, orientation, disordered speech, restlessness, excitement during the course of mental illness, shock, high fever, or intoxication. Or it is a state in which the idea of a person are wild, irregular, unconnected, or do not correspond with the truth or with the external objects. This is delirium. And reapproachful means it is an expression, to express one's disapproval of or disappointment in their action. This is reapproachful. Then next cross reference, dictatorial. Dictatorial means to give orders and expect others to obey, who want to control other people in a cruel and totally unfair way, or they have their own principles. They force their principle on others. The patient seeks to actually influences to the actions, beliefs, etc. of others by imposition of his or her own will. This is dictatorial. Then next cross reference, egotism, self-esteem. Egotism means the thinking that he is better or important than anyone else, or it is a tendency to talk excessively about oneself, a belief that one is superior to or more important than others, an exaggerated opinion of others, of yours own importance. This is egotism. And self-esteem means it is a good opinion of your own character and abilities. This is self-esteem. The next cross reference, haughty. Haughty means too proud, arrogant. There is an excessive calm or something in a comparison to others. Haughty is an arrogant and full of pride. When you are haughty, you have a big attitude to act like you are better than the others. Usually refers primarily to his attitude to himself, thinking one to be in a high position or having excessive claim in over something in comparison with others. So these are the different meanings of haughty. Then next cross reference, insolent. Insolent means insulting behavior. Whenever he has to call to elders, he will call him by his name, having no regards to or respect to them. Extremely rude and showing a lack of respect, or a rude and respectful behavior. Insult or offend those people whom they should respect. This is insolent. Then next cross reference, laughing, contemptuous. Laughing means it is a showing mirth or showing happiness, the state of expressing the emotion with an audible vocal expression, expulsion of air from the lungs. This is laughing. And contemptuous, it is a showing or feeling that you have no respect or for something or someone. This is contemptuous. The next cross reference, mocking. Mocking means to laugh or to disappoint, who imitate in contempt. When you laugh or at someone or something in an unkind way, laugh at others contemptuously, or make an unkind joke on them by which injure their dignity. This is mocking. Then presumptuous. Next cross reference is presumptuous. Presumptuous is too bold, overconfident, or the quality of being encouraging or promising of successful outcomes. One who undertaking or venture to do something by taking a liberty, unwarrantedly showing undue boldness. This is presumptuous. The next cross reference, reapproaches others. Reapproaches means a word or a remark expressing blame or criticism, to criticize someone especially for not being successful or not doing what is expected, or an act or expression of criticism and a sincere expression of rebuke or disapproval. This is reapproaches others. Then next cross reference, ridicule mania. Ridicule means It is an unkind word or action that makes someone or something look stupid or worthless, or it is a mania to laugh at others with contempt or uncertain foolish action. This is ridicule, and mania means it is a mood disorder, an affective disorder in which the victim tends to respond excessively and something violently. This is mania. Then next cross reference, rudeness. Rudeness means roughness, bad manners, general habitual deficiency in manners, rough, harsh, ungentle, unkind, characterized by a rough or violent behavior, actually follow bad manner that may offend or annoy people. This is rudeness. The next cross reference, smiling, sardonic. Smiling means it is a to express pleasure moderately, to joy, love, or kindness by an expression of the features of the face, or the facial expression in which the eyes brighten and the corners of the mouth curve slightly upwards, and which express especially amusement, pleasure, approval, or some time of scroll. This is smiling, and sardonics means it implies the scorn, mockery, or that is manifested by either verbal or facial expression. This is sardonic. The next cross reference, sneers at everyone. Sneers means to show that you have no respect for someone by the expression on your face, or a word or look of contempt, the facial contraction that express scorn or contemptuous to everyone, that is sneers at everyone. So these are the cross references for contemptuous. Now miasm. Miasm is syphilis miasm, and disease condition or psychiatric conditions are chronic alcoholism, personality disorder, and paranoid schizophrenia. So friends, this is all for the contemptuous. Thank you.